Welcome, fellow cosmonauts. Are you ready to embark on a journey through the farthest reaches of humanity in space? Want to know what NASA and China are up to in their exploration of Mars? Stay with us and watch till the end of this video. While the cosmos remains an enigma, we have already ventured to the edges of our observable universe, reaching out to the stars and beyond. From the lunar surface to the outer planets, humanity has pushed the boundaries of what is possible. In today's video, we will take a look at the most daring human expeditions into the vast expanse of the universe. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to support us and join this incredible cosmic exploration. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The moon landing, one of the most arduous expeditions undertaken by humans, is to the moon.
2, 1, 0, all engines running. Liftoff, we have a liftoff, 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. 40 feet down, 2.5, picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down, big shadow. Down the ladder now. I'm at the foot of the ladder. The 11-foot beds are only depressed in the surface about 1 or 2 inches. It's ready, John. Okay, let's go, would you, Charlie? You got all your steering to get straight. Oh, this is going to be some kind of different ride. Hippity hoppity, hippity hopping over hill and dale.
On July 20, 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first human beings to set foot on the lunar surface. The Apollo 11 mission was the culmination of a decade-long effort by NASA to achieve this historic feat. The astronauts spent more than 2 hours outside the lunar module, collecting samples, taking photographs, and conducting experiments. But the Apollo 11 mission was just the beginning. Over the next 3 years, a total of 12 astronauts walked on the moon, each time bringing back new insights and discoveries. The Apollo program not only allowed us to explore a new world, but also laid the foundation for future lunar exploration and eventual human settlement. The Artemis program, launched in 2022, aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the end of the decade. The Artemis 1 mission flew farther into space than any other vehicle built for human astronauts, and Artemis 2 and 3 will carry astronauts around the moon and land them on the lunar surface. Voyager, humanity's interstellar emissaries. In 1977, NASA launched 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and 2, on a mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Exploring Jupiter and Saturn was the main objective of the Voyager expedition. The spaceship's initial design called for a 5-year lifespan. However, NASA provided them with the tools they needed to live longer after understanding their potential to explore more planets. The spacecraft flew by Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, sending back invaluable data and stunning images of these distant worlds. But the Voyager mission didn't stop there. In 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, and Voyager 2 followed suit in 2018. As of January 2023, Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth, traveling at a distance of around 15.6 billion miles or 25 billion kilometers from our planet. The Voyager spacecraft continued to send back data, even after more than 4 decades in space. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope. It is the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. It was launched on December 25th of 2023. It is the most powerful space telescope ever built, with capabilities that far surpass those of its predecessor. The JWST will be able to observe the most distant objects in the universe, study the formation of stars and galaxies, and even search for the building blocks of life on other planets. It features a primary mirror that is over 6 times larger than that of the Hubble Space Telescope, and is equipped with advanced instruments such as the near-infrared camera, the near-infrared spectrograph, and the mid-infrared instrument. The JWST is able to observe in infrared wavelengths, making it possible to study objects that are too distant or too obscured for other telescopes to see. This cutting-edge telescope will undoubtedly provide us with new and exciting discoveries about our universe and our place in it.
Remote-controlled actuators are mounted on the back of each segment. The small motors can pivot and turn them in 6 directions. The main mirror collects light and reflects it onto a smaller mirror. It in turn focuses the light to the telescope's measuring instruments, probing the universe's mysteries with a hitherto unknown sharpness and clarity, and recording stunning images like this shot of a vast stellar nursery called the Tarantula Nebula, packed with young stars.
Mars exploration. For decades, scientists and researchers have been fascinated by the red planet Mars. The fourth planet from the Sun has been the subject of countless studies and missions, as we strive to understand more about our neighboring planet and the possibility of life beyond Earth. In the 1960s, NASA's Mariner 4 became the first spacecraft to fly by Mars, returning the first close-up images of the planet's surface. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the curiosity and exploration of Mars has only increased. In 2011, NASA's Mars Science Laboratory, also known as the Curiosity rover, successfully landed on the planet's surface. Equipped with a variety of scientific instruments, the rover has been exploring the Gale crater and providing valuable information about the planet's geology and potential for past habitability. In 2016, NASA's InSight lander touched down on the Martian surface, its mission to study the planet's seismic activity and internal structure. In 2020, NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars. Its mission is to search for signs of past microbial life and to collect samples for future return to Earth. Also, it will test new technology to help pave the way for human exploration of the red planet. But NASA is not alone in its pursuit of Mars. In 2018, the United Arab Emirates successfully launched the Hope orbiter, which is currently studying the Martian atmosphere. China's Tianwen-1 mission, launched in 2020, includes an orbiter, lander, and rover, all aimed at studying the planet's geology and potential for water. As we continue to learn more about Mars, the possibility of sending humans to the red planet becomes increasingly realistic. With each new mission, we are one step closer to unlocking the secrets of Mars and perhaps even finding evidence of past or present life. The exploration of Mars is ongoing and the future is exciting. As we look to the stars and beyond, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The Voyager mission, the Artemis program, the James Webb Telescope, and other space endeavors are proof that the human spirit is unquenchable, and that we will continue to seek new frontiers and discover new worlds. The question is, what planet should we visit next? Put a comment with your thoughts. Cosmonauts, hit the subscribe button and watch the next video here.